Most beginners don't lose money because they earn too little. They lose it because of these 5 mistakes. Are you making one of them? Hey, welcome. If you're new to money stuff, this video is for you. No fluff, just simple, practical fixes you can use today. Let's go. Money feels confusing at first. Apps, advice, ads, too much noise. That noise makes people pick the wrong moves. Bad habits become expensive. I'll walk you through real mistakes with real examples. Then I'll give clear, doable solutions. People skip an emergency fund. Example, phone breaks, rent is late, or a medical bill shows up. Without cash, the default is credit cards or loans. Interest adds up fast. Fix it. Build a small starter fund. Aim for $500 to $1,000 first. Save automatically. Put 5 to 10% of each paycheck into a separate account. When emergencies hit, you won't panic or borrow. High-interest debt, like credit cards, is a money trap. Example, $1,000 at 20% interest can cost hundreds in a year. Fix it. Stop paying minimums when you can. Use the avalanche method. Pay extra on the highest rate debt first. Or use the snowball method. Pay smallest balance first to get momentum. Beginners often rely on willpower. That fails. You say, I'll save later, and later never comes. Fix it. Automate transfers the day payday hits. Do 2 things. 1. Automate savings for goals. And 2. Automate a small investment, even $25 per week. Automation removes decision fatigue and grows your money quietly. Either no budget or a brutal budget that's impossible to follow. Both fail. Example, cutting coffee and then binging on food delivery. Fix it. Use a simple rule, the 50-30-20 starter. 50% needs, 30% wants, 20% savings debt. Or try the zero-based method where every dollar gets a job. Keep one flexible category so the budget feels human. New investors chase hot tips, crypto FOMO, or risky trades. That can burn money and confidence. Fix it. Focus on fundamentals. Learn compound interest, low-cost index funds, and diversification. Start small. Rebalance once a year. Treat investing like planting. Give it time. Money psychology is huge. Tip 1. Label your money. Give each savings account a purpose. Emergency, new laptop, trick. It makes spending decisions easier. Tip 2. Small wins matter. Celebrate paying off a card or hitting a $500 fund. That positive feedback keeps you going. Recap. 1. Emergency fund. 2. Attack high-interest debt. 3. Automate saving and investing. 4. Use a realistic budget. 5. Skip the get-rich shortcuts. Focus on basics. Add the 2 psychology hacks. Label money and celebrate wins. Do this today. Set 1 automatic transfer right now. If you have debt, choose Avalanche or Snowball. If you have 0 savings, move $20 this week to a separate account. Small steps beat big intentions. Comment below. Which mistake are you guilty of? Number 1, 3, or 5? Like the video if this saved you money, and share it with a friend who's just getting started.